IMI is really the manifestation of what it is to come, to learn, and to actually build and deliver. So, IMI, welcome to the stage, and let's see a little bit about 2i2i.
Hi, I am IMI. I am a cyborg, and I create technology to help humans. Today, I'm presenting 2i2i. That is a technology that allows users to receive energy by talking to other users. 2i2i enables everyone in the world who has internet to have a potential income stream. And it enables to jumpstart the provably fairest and most inclusive economy ever. If you want to know about me, there's my CV. We start with the realization that energy and coins are essentially equivalent. To understand why that is the case, you can go here. In 2i2i, users can receive energy in the form of any coin, whether it's coins of objective value, like a Bitcoin or a Buttcoin, or coins of subjective value, like art NFTs or cinema ticket NFTs. Essentially, 2i2i is an algorithm that fairly orders the multi-dimensional demand for your time. 2i2i is also infinitely inclusive. That means that the value of the energy that can be transmitted can be arbitrarily small or arbitrarily large, allowing everyone participation. Practically speaking, you set the minimum value for your time, and those that bid that minimum, we call them cronies. There's those that will bid more, they're called high rollers. There's those that will bid for your time using subjective value coins, we call them eccentrics. And we even include those that bid less than your minimum. Those are called lurkers. They will not meet you, but they complete the picture of the demand. Thereby, we have captured the broadest spectrum of demand possible, all kinds of energies for your time. Hence, this becomes the fairest market for your time. And hence, you can harness the optimal value for whatever it is that you have to offer. If you want to see more details, you can go here. The general innovation of 2i2i is the multi-dimensional, infinitely inclusive market model that connects any supply with its demand in the provably fairest way possible. We have chosen as a first example of a supply, social interaction. To understand this, let's do a little philosophy. Energy and information are two fundamental elements of nature. Each of us is a bundle of energy and information, and a social interaction is an exchange of information or energy. It's a trade. And social interactions cost energy. Here's a link to a video explaining this, and it features a fictional Silvio Micali, but it applies to anyone. And what it shows is that if you would decide to interact with everyone in the world that wants to interact with you, you would be completely depleted of all energy. To make social interaction fair, those that want to interact with you should replenish your energy. In fact, we know from microeconomics that a fair trade raises the value of both parties. That means if we have a network of fair trades, we get a fair economy of social interactions, exchanging information and energy in the fairest possible way. Plus, everyone in the world has some information to offer. And the value of that information is greater than zero. It might be minuscule or huge, but it is never going to be zero. And because, thanks to Algorand, we can transact arbitrarily small or large values. Imagine giving someone a trillionth of a dollar coin per second of interaction with that person. That means everyone has value and can harness that value, the fair value, using 2i2i. Another way to think of 2i2i is as a bridge between energy networks, that's blockchains, and information networks. One such information network that I would like to mention today is Twitter. In fact, 2i2i could instantly solve Twitter's revenue problem by allowing users to offer each other energy for having one-on-one conversations with each other. Even users with lots of followers will be happy to hang out with random other users if they receive enough energy. In fact, that would be a real way to brag. You can say you have so and so many followers. What percentage of those are real? But if you can say people have actually been committing this and this much energy in coins to talk with me, that's real value. And the business model for 2i2i to help someone like Twitter or anybody is trivial. It's simple. We have transactions, and so we can take a cut. But besides thinking about people with lots of followers, think about people that are displaced or oppressed. Imagine you could have a few minutes of a small talk conversation with someone like that around the world, and you offer them some energy. They can take that energy, you say, hi, how are you doing? Where are you now? Okay, bye, a few minutes. And they get the energy and they can spend it to better their own life, as ever they want to. Since this technology literally provides the potential of an income stream to everyone who has internet, this technology can help Algorand go truly mainstream. And so, AlgoFam, I would like to ask you to relay this message to the Twitter team. If we can have a Twitter person understand the efficiency of the blockchain that we have and this system that I described today, we could be having a great celebration soon. 2i2i is live on mainnet. It's easy to use. All you have to do is share your QR code, your 2i2i link with the world, and the world can share energy with you. So go and harness your energy, or just hang out with me. Okay, thank you.
Imi, thank you so much for showing us a little bit about what 2i2i is. And you have wrapped us up today on the Algorand greenhouse here. We thank you very much for joining us and showing us, as a developer, what you can do on the Algorand blockchain. If you have vision, as Imi does, I'm sure that we can help you